Welcome back to Wave of Well. Today we're gonna talk about how to customize sign up labels, guys. Down below you need to go in your account and see in bottom left corner settings option. Once you press on it, this huge menu will pop up. Once you're done with that, you need to press on checkout right here, and down below we can see marketing options. Let customers sign up for email or SMS marketing. Email pre-selected right here. You can just select whatever you want to do. SMS is right here, but you need to press on customize sign up labels. Once you press on it, you will be this window will pop up, and here is every single possible information and option for you that you need for this. So for example, checkout payment right here, checkout marketing as well. Down below you can see plenty of options: accept marketing checkbox label, post accept marketing checkbox label, pending accept marketing checkbox label, accept SMS checkbox label, and plenty of other stuff. Order details, payment methods, payment details, payment methods and payment method billing addresses are right here, set as default, and so on, form, and so on and so on. There's general information, accessibility, blogs, onboarding, products, templates, localization, gift cards, recipient, and plenty of other options for you. So I highly recommend you to explore it for yourself.